Good morning, students. You already learned about the solar system. What is solar system? The sun is in the center and all the planets are revolving around the sun. That knowledge is now accepted by all. But that was not the case in the early ages. Before Renaissance, everyone believed that Earth was the center of the universe. All the stars were revolving around the earth. That was the case up to Renaissance period. During the Renaissance period, Copernicus came forward with a new theory, the theory of the solar system. That theory proposes the system which consists of the sun in the center and the planets are revolving around the sun in specific paths called orbits. There is a new theory. That was a great thought, but it challenges the belief of all the guys who were connected with the philosophy as well as churches. All the guys who controls the society came against Copernicus. Due to their conspiracy, Copernicus was brutally killed. During the Renaissance, great advances occurred in geography, astronomy, chemistry, physics, and mathematics. In the Renaissance period, the theory that the earth was flat was proven wrong. Copernicus proposed a new theory that the earth revolved around the sun, thereby proposing the existence of a solar system. This is Copernicus and this is the proposed solar system. You can see here the sun is in the center instead of earth. Then came Galileo Galilei. He invented the telescope and using it, he scientifically proved that the theory put forward by Copernicus was true. Then another development came through Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg, he was a German craftsman and he invented a new method for printing. Actually, that printing mechanism is a movable one. Elements of his invention are thought to have included a metal alloy that could melt readily and cool quickly to form durable, reusable type, an oil-based ink that could be made sufficiently thick to adhere well to metal type and transfer well to vellum or paper. ഒരു അച്ചുണ്ടാക്കി അതിൽ മഷി ചേർത്ത് പേപ്പറിൻ്റെ പുറത്ത് പുരട്ടുമ്പോൾ അതിൽ പതിക്കുമ്പോൾ അത് അങ്ങനെ തന്നെ കാണുന്ന ഒരു ശൈലി. And he invented a new press, likely adapted from those used in producing wine, oil or paper for applying firm, even pressure to printing surfaces. None of these features existed in the European technique used up to that time for stamping letters on various surfaces or in outlook printing. Gutenberg's printing press was considered a history-changing invention, making books widely accessible and ushering in an information revolution. Then came Renaissance in religion. The Renaissance had a say in the religious space also. The refinement underwent by the European Christianity in the 16th century is known as Reformation. Martin Luther led the movement that began in Germany. This is Martin Luther. Next comes exploration. Ever since the Turks conquered Constantinople, any and all trade relations between Europe and Asia was used. That means all the routes connected with Asia and Europe is now under control of the Ottoman Empire. The invention of the compass and a spirit of adventure helped in the discovery of new routes, oceans and continents. In the same time, Industrial Revolution slowly started. Renaissance in the field of science led to the invention of new machines, which in turn brought about immense changes in the field of productions. As a consequence, the production increased. At the same time, cost of production decreased. And such changes brought about the Industrial Revolution. It began in England and revolutionized production and trade throughout the world. That's the end of the first chapter. So we will move on to the next chapter in the next class.